Okay, let's go.
Hello guys! Today we are in Palmones in a small river. The mast already in place. I'm gonna go out and navigate a little bit. Today is the second part of my previous video when I was talk a lot. How to place and position the mast and much more. Today I'll try to keep things less technical and more practical. So without further ado, let's head out. I have with me a complete set. I have made myself World Light Sail, High Performers Kayak Rig, weigh in practically nothing. Is super light really. I am going to hoist the sails first, head sail, the little jib. And then I'm going to hoist the mainsail. I will use the Dacron sails. Okay, now the ideal is to be able to do it from the kayak. This is the best you can do. Put the sails and remove them from inside of the kayak. We can always do it at the sea. It is quite important. Actually, I will say very important. Small jib is up now. Let's hoist the mainsail now. Okay. 2 sails up, now we're ready to sail. Let's catch some speed. Okay, now we are going to make a tack. We gained a little speed. Now is fine. Very good, now let's go with the wind. Well, now I am going to make a jibe. We continue along the river. Speed 2.8 knots. .8 knots, which is not bad for a kayak. With Sac, a light wind is not bad. We have already reached 3 knots of speed. Well... Very good, very nice. This is how you can enjoy kayak with sails. I use no stabilizers, but I have daggerboard. Daggerboard, I can put him up. And really without it, go faster. With daggerboard, kayak is a little slower, but more stable. I want to show you when gusts come how much the mast bends. Well, it bends a lot sometimes. Healing and overturning. We're losing a little bit of wind. Well, I show you how we make a tack. Let's go.